Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 15k over 2k plus 5 over 6 is equals to 15k plus 5 over 2k plus 6. We will solve this equation for k, and in order to solve this question, first we should simplify the left side of the equation, and we should cancel out the both of these k which are existing in numerator and denominator. After cancelling the both of these k, we should get 15 over 2 plus 5 over 6 is equals to 15k plus 5 over 2k plus 6. Now, in the next step, we should take common 1 over 2 from both of this expression, and we will get 15 plus 5 over 3 as a remaining value. And 15k plus 5 will remain same, but 2 will we will take common in from denominator, and we will get k plus 3 as a remaining value. Now in the next step we should cancel out both of these two, because when these two are existing in division, and it will go to the other side of the equation and it will multiply with this 2, and both of these two will cancel out. So here we directly cancel out both of these two, and we will get, after cancelling both of these two, 15 plus 5 over 3, 15k plus 5 over k plus 3. Now in the next step we should simplify this value, and we will take LCM of this value, and we will get, when this 3 will multiply with this 15, we will get 45, and plus 5 will remain same, over 3 will remain same, and the right side of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should add 45 plus 5, we will get 50, and we should cross multiply both of these value, or we should apply the cross multiplication for both of this fraction, and we should get this 45 and plus 5 will add together, and we will get 50, and this k plus 3 will multiply with this 50, and this 3 will move to the other side of equation, and it will multiply with this 15k plus 5. Now in the next step we should simplify this equation. How? Simply this 50 will multiply with both of these value, and this 50 will, when this 50 will multiply with this k, we will get 50k, and when this 50 will multiply with this 3, we will get 150, and this 3 will multiply with this 15, we should get 45k, and this 3 will multiply with this 5, we will get 15. Now in the next step, this plus 45 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert minus 45k, and this 150 which having the positive sign will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert into minus 150. Now in the next step, 50k minus 45k, it will be equal to 55k, and this 15 minus 150 will be equal to minus 135. Now in the next step, this 5 will divide this minus 135 value, and we will get, after dividing this 135 from this 5k equal to minus 27, and this is the value for k for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.